Are they still fighting?
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
I screamed into my ground.
And there's not much there. It's really, I bet it kills it.
Oh my god, what if he dies?
It probably will,
Look
but
at that,
that's...
there are two birds fighting. I wonder what he did to deserve to fight.
territory.
To what?
Part.
They beat each other up. God. Look at that.
Don't go behind the tree. I'll lose you. They are scrapping like crazy.
They are not letting up on each other. Ooh, they're like having a...
This is a fight to the death.
Yeah.
Oh my god. No, I'm going for the black one.
I'm going for the black one too. There's just two black ones fighting. I'm going for both of them.
Should they just fly away, Tora?
No, they're still there.
No, I said should they?
I would just like fly to my own territory. Then like call someone to help me.
And therefore there is the second point, they come to an end of life. So therefore do have
God, those are crazy birds.
not known at this point. Then the third point is that the inspection criteria to do this, you can't do it just visually. So it requires sophisticated inspection. They're not going to go over every airplane before it flies to see if it's got cracks. That's just
Oh my
not
god, they're still going at it.
possible with the airlines. So we
Unbelievable.
I want to say, get off my territory.
But the government is the only source.
It'd be hilarious. Dog just comes out and chases him.
In other words, the airlines are not
What if that really happens?
and there's no other party to operate in the interest of
They've been fighting for 5 minutes.
God, longer than that, Dad.
10 minutes.
Okay, let me pursue a couple of points.
Well, I
They've
haven't.
been like scrapping it out.
They're punching each other with their wings.
Look at that. Yeah, they are.
How can I punch each
Oh
other?
my god, they're hunting the sidewalk. Look at that.
Don't follow the road.
That's right. They're going to go onto the road. Hey,
So nice, Grandma.
I can hear them tripping.
They're chirping it. Is one dead?
no, they're both pecking.
Feedback?
They don't go through the same stress, is that the case? No, all
Yeah, a robin just flies across the road.
I think they both passed out.
Look at poor Ben.
Oh, they...
He's gonna walk right by two birds.
This might, hopefully he walks by, the birds will stop fighting. Oh,
no,
they're out in the road.
Oh no, they're gonna get hit back.